Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to check your Instagram algorithm. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! In December, Instagrams announced your algorithm, a new way to see and control the top driving your Reels recommendations starting today. So your algorithm extend beyond Reels to the Explore surface. So just like on Reels, you can view the topic Instagram things you are into and easily adjust them to see more or less of what you want. So how to check your algorithm on Instagram is very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just open your profile. You can go to your profile. From your profile, you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option, content preferences. You can just select on that. And in here, there is an option, your algorithm. You can select on that. So here's your algorithm on your Instagram, and you can add, maybe you want add another topics to your algorithm. So Instagram will recommend you posts or reels that match with your algorithm. For example, maybe I want to add my personal growth to my algorithm, and I think I want to add jokes and like this. You want to remove interest, maybe you can add, or maybe you want to remove this, you can remove. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your algorithm on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.